Hey guys, so today me and Scarlett are fidget trading. So today, basically we're gonna post this video on both channels, so you guys can both go watch those, whichever channel you like best. Otherwise, please subscribe to Scarlett Rosia and the Lolly Kid World, and like the video. And you should also subscribe and like Lolly Kid. Wait, no, we have to. You guys also subscribe to Weird and Funny BFFs.
If you don't know what we're talking about, it's this channel where we do weird and funny songs, and when we're on call, it's really funny. We only have 3 subscribers, so
we need more.
And you should subscribe because tomorrow is Lolly Kid World's birthday.
Oh yeah!
So subscribe and like and tell her happy birthday. Yeah.
Okay. Well, so without further ado, let's do this. Also, for an early birthday gift, Scarlett got us these BFF puppets. She has her pink one somewhere. There it is.
And when you put them together, they make a heart.
And she got me. She got me this super long cat set. Me and her. So if you haven't watched Scarlett Rosia's channel, she did a yoga cat video. So
cat yoga.
Today we might do a cat yoga video with both.
This is Mr. Kitty, by the way, if you didn't watch the cat yoga video.
Yeah. I will announce this one's name in the cat yoga video.
We will announce it, so you gotta watch the video.
Yep. Without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So, Scarlett, you play something down.
We're gonna do the T-Rex Dino Squishy.
I want to squish it.
Okay, you can squish it.
Squish it. It's so cool. Okay. Let me see. Alrighty. Okay, so here are my poppets, here are my dimples and stress balls, and here are like my other stuff. And then here's my cute little ones that can't get their own bed. And then Scarlett's are all over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna add for this mega dude, I'm gonna add all of my mochis. Wow. Excited! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Alright. Just whispering a little secret to Scarlett. But look at what I got now! And look at all these mochis! I got a mega T-Rex!
Mochis.
He's so big and adorable and so chubby. Alrighty, we're going to put the fidgets that we traded to the side. And then we're going to show what fidgets we got.
Mm-hmm.
In the end.
Now it's Violet's turn to add something.
Yes. What shall I add? I'm gonna add... Okay, Scarlett's whispering to me, maybe a snapper. So I'll add all 5 of my snappers. One. Okay, so I have a pineapple. Whoops, you can see. Sorry. Pineapple. Milkshake. Just an original snapper. This sundae. I didn't make noise. There you go. This is just a sundae. And the best one of all! Ice cream! So, I'm going to trade all 5. So, what you going to trade for that? I will offer... this. Okay.
And this Bell Pop, this is a mint chocolate, squishy, whatever. Bell Puppet! Lemon Puppet! Burger Puppet! And Yellow Mungus Puppet.
Add!
Dang it. These 2 squishies.
Oh my gosh! Okay, you guys, I kind of gotta accept. Woohoo! Oh my gosh! this Among Us puppet. This burger bow. Donut. Llama, come on. You can barely find this anywhere.
It's true. They're really hard to get.
And this. So I definitely scanned her. Still got my T-Rex. Alrighty.
And I still got my mochi.
Okay. So now I'm gonna put something down. So in this bit, I'm gonna add all of my whoopsies. I'm gonna add all of my unicorns puppets. So I have this teal one. It looks kind of green on Scarlett's camera, but it looks more blue on my camera. It's kind of weird, but it's like a sea green. And I'll add, ooh, this is beautiful. But I'll add my clear unicorn. Clear unicorn rainbow sparkle puppet. And I have some more. I have another unicorn, another just rainbow. This unicorn. Oh my gosh, my unicorn purse. She's getting, I can see her planning what she's gonna add. Unicorn purse. The chain's in here somewhere. Let's see. Unicorn. Okay, I have this, but it's not a unicorn, so I can't add that. Would a narwhal count as a unicorn? No. Okay.
Unicorn of the sea.
Unicorn of the sea. Okay, so I have this foam narwhal, which is basically unicorn of the sea.
Quote Scarlett Rozier.
Okay. We've got this narwhal. You know what? We're just sticking with actual unicorns.
Can I add now?
Yes. So let me give them a little review of what I got here. So I got unicorn purse. This unicorn puppet.
Do the splits.
And this unicorn puppet. And this unicorn puppet. I have a lot of unicorn puppets. And this unicorn puppet. Okay, what are you gonna add?
Tiny stretchy Manus.
Never.
Splits
Never.
This puzzle ball. This other. No, this is a cute. It's whatever. These are two types of puzzle balls. This is this one and this one. Yeah. If you probably don't know what this is.
That cat just took away like my fidgets.
What?
I know, right? Sneaky cat. Okay.
Okay, sling it.
Yo, you need to add some like
this
puppet.
thing. Ooh, this is a peeper.
Guys.
And
Excuse me.
And this. And this.
Excuse me.
And this. And this. And
Excuse
this.
me. Really?
And this.
Never in a million years add. Okay, you know what?
What? Seriously?
For your banana needle and your bestie puppet. To be honest, I actually don't want to get rid of your bestie puppet. So,
Thank you.
you're welcome. But also your dimple.
Fine.
And your shaggy ball.
Chinese finger trap. Fidget.
And this. Oh, it won't come over. Her poppet ball. And I think, where's her hamburger poppet? Oh wait, she traded it to me. I forgot. Okay, and her mega pig. I love this banana. Alrighty, except. Woohoo! Woo! Look at that. Get scammed.
What's up?
Ow! Who this at me?
I
Mine
want
now.
it back.
I get it for real. Fine. Okay, Scarlett, you put something down now. After this is the last round. This is the last round. So Scarlett, put some good things down.
Chocolate squishy.
Maybe put like your long cat or something.
Oh, my mochi.
Ooh, okay. So I have this stress ball. I have this pineapple stress ball. I have this dimple. To be honest, I love this dimple, but really want all those mochis.
It's more of a pop-it, honestly.
No, it's a dimple because it has this plastic.
But it has
grid.
all those little bubble poppers.
I know, but look, it's grit. Can't you? Okay, comment down below if this is a pop-it or dimple. Hashtag dimple squad for Violet or hashtag pop-it squad for Scarlett.
No, pop-it paparazzi. Yeah, I got a cool name. That's right.
That's too long.
Pop-it paparazzi.
Okay. Well, hashtag pop-it paparazzi then if you vote that this is a pop-it. Alrighty, that's what I'm adding. If you don't accept, then I'm not.
Decline!
No, I'll add. Alrighty, so I'll add my hamburger. My stress ball. Smushy hamburger thing.
That's not even yours! Give me my hamburger!
Wait, what is it called? It's spiky.
Spiky hamburger. Wait, I gotta get my hamburger flipper. Okay, this is my hamburger flipper.
I need to flip it. Fine. Flip. Okay, well, look it.
We're gonna put the hamburger.
Look, can I see the hamburger? It's mine now. I don't know where it is.
No,
Where's the hamburger? Technical difficulties! Oh my gosh.
found it.
Okay, but can I see the hamburger?
What's up?
Technical difficulties! Okay, guys, we got the hamburger. This is like one of the craziest fidget trading. Actually, this is like the first one I've ever done. But so, look at this hamburger. It's like this baby to this. How am I supposed to get rid of it? Okay. Well, that's what I'm adding. You know what? Decline. I'm over.
What?
Go on with your mochis.
What?
I was so over.
What?
So over.
Comment down below if you think she was over or she was.
I was over.
No, she was.
I was so over.
Was I over? Because this is my whole mochi collection.
Excuse me, I gave you like all of my mochis for that T-Rex.
That T-Rex was awesome.
Girl, you're such a okay.
What?
I don't know anymore. Okay, I'm gonna add it in the poppets because I feel like it's a poppet. Alrighty. Well, guys, I guess I get this hamburger. Not Scarlett's anymore. Okay. Wait, where's the shaggy ball?
Hamburger!
Oh, there's the shaggy ball.
Hamburger!
Shaggy ball.
Yay!
Just saying, guys, this is real fidget trading.
Totally real.
Yep, it's real.
Yeah, I don't know why I said totally real. It's real. Yeah. LOL.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.
No. You cannot say please. You gotta say, like and subscribe! No saying please. No.
Okay, fine. Subscribe to Scarlett Roger and Ollie Can World.
Okay, fine. We can say please. Please. Fine, I'll say please.
Well, I'll enjoy my shaggy ball and my minute. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.
Whoosh.